Ever wondered how simple lifestyle changes can dramatically improve your digestion? Well, you're in the right place. Digestion, the process that transforms the food we consume into energy that fuels our bodies, is a powerhouse. Yet, it's often overlooked in our daily lives. We focus on the quality of food we eat, the number of steps we take, the hours of sleep we get. But how often do we consider the state of our digestion? Improving digestion isn't just about preventing discomfort or embarrassment. It's about enhancing our overall health and well-being. When our digestive system is working optimally, we absorb more nutrients from our food, we feel more energetic, and our immune system functions better. So, don't underestimate the power of digestion. Stay tuned as we delve into some easy lifestyle changes that can greatly enhance your digestion. First off, let's understand what might be causing poor digestion. You see, digestion is a complex process, and several factors can throw it off balance. It's like a well-oiled machine. One cog out of place and the whole thing grinds to a halt. One of the primary culprits is our dietary choices. Overindulging in processed foods, saturated fats, and sugary drinks can wreak havoc on our digestive system. These foods are harder for our bodies to break down, slowing the digestive process and leading to discomfort, bloating, and constipation. But it's not all about what we eat. It's also about how we eat. Eating in a rush, not chewing properly, or eating too much at once can also lead to digestive problems. Our bodies need time to process food, and when we don't give them that, we're setting ourselves up for a digestive downfall. Exercise, or rather lack thereof, is another common cause of poor digestion. Regular physical activity helps keep food moving through the digestive system and reduces the risk of constipation. When we lead sedentary lives, our digestion suffers. Then there's stress, the silent saboteur of good digestion. When we're stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode, slowing digestion as it prepares for a potential threat. This can lead to a host of digestive issues, from heartburn to irritable bowel syndrome. And let's not forget about digestive diseases like irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease. These conditions can cause ongoing issues with digestion, and if you're experiencing persistent problems, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. Identifying the root cause of your digestive issues is crucial. It's like being a detective. You need to gather all the clues before you can solve the mystery. And once you've figured out what's causing your poor digestion, you can take steps to address it. Now that we know the causes, let's get into the solutions. Believe it or not, there are numerous home remedies that can aid your digestion. Let's dive into a few of them. First off, there's the magic of mint tea. This aromatic brew does more than just freshen your breath. It also relaxes the gastrointestinal tract, easing discomfort and promoting smooth digestion. So, next time you're feeling a bit bloated or uneasy, consider reaching for a comforting cup of mint tea. Next up are fermented foods. You might have heard about the gut-friendly benefits of foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt. These are all fermented foods, rich in probiotics. These beneficial bacteria play a critical role in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and keeping harmful bacteria in check. By incorporating more fermented foods into your diet, you're essentially recruiting an army of tiny helpers for your digestive system. Then we have the power of herbal supplements. Ginger, for instance, has been used for centuries to soothe stomach aches and nausea. Chamomile, too, is a gentle relaxant that can help ease digestive discomfort. If you're feeling adventurous, you might even try a bit of turmeric, a spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for gut health. Of course, it's crucial to note that while these remedies can be helpful, they're not cure-alls. Everyone's body is different, and what works wonders for one person might not work as well for another. So, it's essential to listen to your body and find what works best for you. These remedies can work wonders, but they're not the only solution. Let's move on to more lifestyle changes. Your diet plays a huge role in your digestion. So what are some dietary changes that can help? First and foremost, maintaining a balanced diet is vital for optimal digestion. This doesn't mean you have to give up your favorite foods, but rather, it's about understanding the nutritional value of what you're eating and ensuring you're getting a mix of all the essential food groups. There are certain foods that are known to aid digestion. For instance, ginger is not only a flavor enhancer, but it also helps in speeding up gastric emptying, reducing the likelihood of heartburn and discomfort. Yogurt, rich in probiotics, is another superstar that helps maintain a healthy gut flora, which is crucial for digestion. Fruits like pineapples and papayas contain natural enzymes that assist in breaking down proteins, making them easier to digest. Whole grains, legumes, and vegetables are also beneficial as they are high in dietary fiber, which aids in regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. On the other hand, there are foods that might not be as friendly to your digestive system. Highly processed foods, high-fat foods, and those loaded with artificial sweeteners often cause bloating and discomfort. It's also wise to be cautious with spicy foods, especially if you have a sensitive stomach, as they can trigger heartburn. Now let's talk about fiber. It's the superstar of digestive health. It adds bulk to your diet, helping prevent constipation, and it can also help to control blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol levels, and help achieve a healthy weight. The great news is, fiber is found in a wide range of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Hydration is another key aspect of a digestion-friendly diet. It's as simple as it sounds. Drink plenty of water. Water helps dissolve fats and soluble fiber, allowing these substances to pass through more easily. Not a fan of plain water? No problem. You can also hydrate with other fluids like herbal teas. Just remember to limit beverages that can dehydrate you, like coffee and alcohol. Incorporating these dietary changes can significantly improve your digestion. But it's important to remember everyone is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It can be beneficial to keep a food diary to track what you eat and how it makes you feel. This way you can identify any foods that may be causing issues and discuss them with a healthcare professional if needed. A balanced diet can significantly improve your digestion, but there's more to it than just what you eat. Exercise is not just for weight loss. It plays a vital role in your digestion too. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does exercise fit into the digestion puzzle? Well, let's dive into that. Regular exercise can significantly improve your digestive health. It does so by helping food travel through your digestive system more efficiently. This is because when you move your body, you also stimulate the natural contraction of intestinal muscles. These contractions help to move food along and out of the body more swiftly, thus reducing the amount of time it takes for food to pass through the large intestine and limiting the amount of water absorbed from the stool back into the body. The result? Easier, more regular bowel movements. But what types of exercises are we talking about here? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to that. The best exercise for digestion can vary from person to person, but as a rule of thumb, any form of physical activity that gets your heart rate up is beneficial. Walking, running, swimming, cycling, or even doing chores around the house can all help. There are also specific exercises that target the abdominal area, which can be particularly beneficial for digestion. Activities like yoga and Pilates, which involve twisting and bending movements, can help massage the internal organs, improving your digestion even further. Now, before you jump into your workout clothes, remember this: balance is key. Overdoing it with high-intensity workouts without giving your body enough time to recover can actually lead to digestive issues. It's important to listen to your body and to give it the rest it needs. Also, try to wait at least an hour after eating before you start exercising. This is because your body needs energy to digest food, and if you exercise right after eating, your body will have to divide its resources between digestion and physical activity, which can lead to digestive discomfort. In the end, it's all about creating a routine that works for you. Regular, moderate exercise coupled with a balanced diet can do wonders for your digestive health. Regular exercise can help regulate your digestion, but remember, balance is key. Stress can wreak havoc on your digestion, so how can we manage it? It's a question we often find ourselves asking in the hustle and bustle of our busy lives. The answer, however, is not as elusive as it may seem. Stress, my friends, is a lot like the uninvited guest at a party. It shows up, makes a mess, and leaves you to deal with the aftermath. In this case, the party is your digestive system, and the mess is a range of issues from bloating and indigestion to more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. But how does stress do this? Well, when we're stressed, our body responds by releasing stress hormones. These hormones can cause inflammation and contractions in the gut, disrupting the balance of good bacteria and leading to those unpleasant digestive issues. Now, the million-dollar question: how do we manage stress to improve our digestion? Let's dive into some stress-busting techniques. Firstly, meditation. This ancient practice has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety, helping to restore balance in your gut. By focusing your attention and eliminating the stream of jumbled thoughts, meditation can be a game changer for your digestive health. Next, relaxation exercises. These can be as simple as deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation, where you tense and then release each muscle group. These exercises can help reduce tension in the body and promote a sense of calm, helping your digestive system function more smoothly. And let's not forget about the power of a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep can exacerbate stress, and as we've learned, that's no good for our digestion. So prioritizing quality sleep is another key to managing stress and promoting good digestion. Managing stress can greatly improve your digestion. Let's wrap up everything we've learned. Remember, like any good party host, it's your job to show stress the door before it wreaks havoc on your digestive party. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let your digestion do its thing. Improving digestion is not just about a single change, it's about embracing a lifestyle. It's about understanding that our bodies are complex systems, and the food we eat plays a crucial role in how we feel, think, and go about our daily lives. Let's take a moment to recap all the points covered in the video. First, we discussed the causes of poor digestion. We've learned that a variety of factors such as digestive diseases like IBS and IBD, and even your diet can play a significant role in how well your body breaks down and absorbs nutrients from the food you eat. We then looked at home remedies for digestion. From relaxation techniques to drinking mint tea, these simple and natural methods can go a long way in improving your digestive health. But remember, if you're experiencing severe or ongoing digestive issues, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Next, we delved into dietary changes for improved digestion. Consuming fermented foods, increasing fiber intake, keeping a food diary, and avoiding trigger foods are just a few of the ways you can take control of your digestive health through your diet. We also touched upon the role of exercise in digestion. Regular physical activity not only helps to maintain a healthy weight, but it can also enhance digestion and reduce symptoms of digestive disorders. And lastly, we discussed the impact of stress on digestion. Remember, our minds and bodies are interconnected, and high levels of stress can disrupt the natural rhythm of your digestive system. So, as we conclude, let's emphasize the importance of a balanced and consistent approach to improving digestion. It's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat, how you move, and how you manage stress. Remember, your digestion is a key to your overall health. Make these simple lifestyle changes and feel the difference. It's time to embrace the digestion lifestyle. After all, your body deserves the best, and improving your digestion is a big step towards a healthier, happier you. We've learned a lot today about improving digestion with simple lifestyle changes. The power of these changes can't be overstated. Remember, the journey to a healthier you starts with one step, or in this case, one bite. Try incorporating these suggestions into your routine. Maybe start with mint tea in the morning or a brisk walk after dinner. You might be surprised how these small changes can make a big difference. And hey, don't keep these insights to yourself. Share your experiences with friends and family. Let them in on your journey to improve digestion. Have a favorite tip or a success story of your own? We'd love to hear about it. Let's make our community a place for sharing and growth. Finally, if you found this video helpful, show some love. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.